Hi, Megan. Thanks for opting into the video critique. I just pulled up your ad and I instantly thought, ooh, I love this. So that's a really, really good start to your ad campaign. It looks really, really nice. Your slide presentation assignment, having the ad look this good is a great start. The only thing that felt a little weird to me is this line right here felt tiny bit out of place. So I'm going to compare that to the original ad and see if they did the exact same thing. And if they did, then you emulating it makes total sense. But it just felt a little bit odd. But I love the choices they've made in this original ad, and then how you've kind of mimic them here looks really, really good. So let's jump over to your slide presentation. I love the yellow and the black, looks super good together. I love how you have this contrast. The logo over here looks nice. I will recommend taking off the black stroke from this shape, because anytime you do that, it's kind of going to instantly date a shape. You want to get in the habit of never applying strokes to anything. And then this looks a tiny bit like it's not as highly saturated black. And so just make sure you're really selecting the same color that you have selected up here. It looks a little bit more of a deeper, darker gray as opposed to a true saturated black. This page looks really good. These look good. Your drawovers are awesome. I can't tell if intentionally you've made the L go into the draw over. If you have, that's a really fun idea. But I think this drawover line looks a little bit high. So make sure if you're intentionally doing this, make sure it's the exact same width. So you need to maybe reduce it by just a fraction of an amount. And then pull that down a little bit so it's just a nice, cool, clean line that comes over. But that's a neat attention to detail that you have here. Oh yeah, you did it over here too. Yes, I love that. So creative and fun. Okay, you've done a good job kind of telling a little bit more about the ad and why it's working. Marco Polo, yes, like it. And then your consistencies. Oh, let's see if they have that extra line. Oh, they have the extra line down here. See how it's not as aggressive when it's down on the right-hand corner by the logo? I feel like it's just asserting itself a little bit too much up here. Maybe pull your logo just a little bit more up toward the corner of the page, mimicking this. And what does theirs say? At the heart of the image, maybe? Yeah, at the heart of the image. And I think you could reduce the size of yours a little bit as well. Because see, theirs is pretty small. It's not even 2 times the width of their logo. And I feel like yours is maybe 2.5, 3 times. So reduce the size even more. We really want it to feel like it's a part of the logo as opposed to something that your eye is going to and getting a bit distracted away from the ad. Okay, so that's the only thing that I think maybe needs a little bit of modification. And then this looks really good. I feel like you need to move this text box up a little bit. Consistencies, the yellow in the background is overlapping on your image a lot. I would say probably too much. You want to either follow the rule of thirds and have this background image hit on your shape right about here, or you could even pull it about half like you've done on this. So kind of try to follow the same rule for this one, or the same rule as what you've done here for this one, where you're placing your text and your shape in the background. It's a little bit too aggressively placed on your new ad, okay? That's it. It's awesome. Really, really, really good start. Feel free to share this with your classmates on the discussion board. Say Sister Folk says this is what yours should look like. Okay, you don't have to do that. But great job. Really good start. Just a few minor tweaks and you'll totally be there. All right. Good job, Megan.